Hi, at around Thursday, 11 o'clock at night, I had burned my lips with warm, hot water. Don't ask me how, I was just being very dumb. And then my lips by 12 o'clock a.m. Friday, it swelled up, it turned red, and there were water blisters everywhere in the inside of my lips. And I didn't know what to do. Obviously, I didn't want to pop the water blisters because I didn't want it to get infected, especially since it's in my lip. Like regular blisters on your toe or anywhere, the doctors always tells you not to pop it. And because it was in my lips, I was more cautious of it. So when I searched online, at first I rinsed my mouth with salt water and I was fine. I hated the sting, but I did it. But then I saw some like mixed reviews on it. I kept my lips moist as you would do for a regular blister, and I couldn't find anything about burns on your lips. Usually I found cold blisters, but nothing when I googled it talked about water blisters when you actually burn your lips. But after a lot of research, I found out that green tea is actually good for burns, right? And I'm not exactly sure if it's for the lips. There was no research directly mentioning the lips, but I saw like green tea and lips. Green tea and burns basically helps with it. So this is actually Friday afternoon. Once I put green tea in the night, it turned black and disgusting, as you can see on my teeth. But by the afternoon, the black, gooey, icky, mucus-like things on my lips started peeling off, and my lips started to look slightly normal, a little cracky, but normal. And this is how it looked by the afternoon. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it's amazing. And this is on Saturday. As you can see, there's like some little aspects that are still infected, but for the most part it's good. I can eat, I can do whatever I want. However, by Saturday I stopped taking care of my lips, and unfortunately by Sunday I grew painful blisters again, so I had to do the green tea process again. So even if your lips are looking like it's healed, you should still take care of it until it's fully completely healed. Okay, so basically what I did, I was rinse my mouth with salt water at the very beginning, and then eventually I put green tea in. Okay, make sure, I'll tell you this, green tea makes your teeth yellow, so be mindful of that. You don't want to put it on for hours and hours, like 24 hours. So what I did was I took warm water, seeped the green tea bag in it. I didn't keep it too long. I didn't put hot water because I'm not putting hot water on a burnt lips, right? So once the color started coming off, I think I put it on for too long. It should have taken me a minute. I rolled it up and put it inside my lips where the burn was. Eventually I realized one tea bag can actually accommodate you for 3 rounds. So if you open the green tea bag and put it on a gauze, like portion it out, you can use the green tea for at least 3 rounds. So you have to roll it up and then put it on your lips. I did it in the night for 3 hours before I fell asleep, and eventually later on too, it turned black, my lips, but then eventually it healed on its own.